Hey guys, what's up? It is Brad from Bodyliner. It is day 3 at SEMA. I'm here with Dmaxryno. So why Bodyliner? What made you go for it?
Man, I met you guys about 3 years ago and have seen the product develop over the last couple of years. And it's kind of the ideal product, not only for what we do, but kind of should be putting paint out of the market. I mean, the stuff's fantastic. It looks like paint, it feels like paint, and it's stronger than paint. Like, what more do you want out of this stuff? I knew when I was gonna do this truck, being that it is my ranch truck, we needed to go with the best of the best and something strong enough that can hold up to what we're gonna put it through.
I'm here with Jay, the artist from Auto Artistry, who completely refinished this bad boy for Dmax. Out of everything you were doing with it, what do you find was kind of the most different out of everything that you've done? You worked with a lot with paint. What do you think was so different about working with Bodyliner?
Just the whole liner process. And it's obviously different than paint.
We didn't think this baby was showing up to SEMA, but I can't tell you how tickled pink I am. And Ryan, I just want to thank you, bro.
Of course, brother, of course.
That was awesome.
No, this thing turned out beautiful. Happy to work with you guys this year and many more projects to come.
Oh, I can't wait to see it. Peace.